How to link Etsy shop on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply show you how you can link an Etsy shop to your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now say that you have an Instagram account and then you want to link an Etsy shop to it as well. The very first thing you have to make sure is that you have a business account, and once you have a business account you also want to make sure that you own an Etsy shop, or you at least are an Etsy affiliate, so you're trying to do affiliate marketing with Etsy. Make sure you have the link of all of the products that you're doing the affiliate marketing of. Once you have the products and the link of your own profile, now you cannot directly link as the shop on Instagram, though you have to keep that in mind, because the shop on Instagram only actually offers a limited number of websites such as WooCommerce that was created with WordPress, or maybe Shopify, or maybe some other, but so far Etsy has not been added. So another indirect way that we can add Etsy to our Instagram account is by adding its link. So what you need to do is, after you've copied the link of your Etsy account, come to your profile page again, and this time you'll find the option called edit profile. So just tap on the edit profile option. Once you tap on the edit profile option, here you'll be able to find the option called links. So just go ahead and tap on the links option. Over here you'll find the option called add external links. So instead of your own website link or anything else, you simply want to make sure to enter an external link, and once you paste that Etsy link over here, just type in view Etsy shop or anything right over here to give it a title. And once you give this shop and link a title as well, people who view your profile will be able to view both the names as well as the title, and when they click on that link they'll be able to be redirected to your shop on Etsy. But make sure you paste the link of your Etsy account, because in this case I'm just pasting a random link, but you want to make sure that you paste the link of your Etsy shop, and you can tag products to those Etsy shop as well. And that's basically how you can link Etsy to your Instagram account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.